Welcome to Python Day 3. We will be exploring all kinds of Python operators in this video like arithmetic, comparison, logical and more. So you can perform calculation and make decisions in your code effortlessly. So come, let's get started. So we have 6 types of operators in Python: arithmetic, comparison, logical, assignment, membership and identity. Let's take a look at the glance of those code and then we will dive into the coding right away. Arithmetic operators. So all we are dealing here with is plus, minus, into, slash, double slash, modulo and double star. We will see how this works in arithmetic operator. And the next one is a comparison. Here the result is going to be a true or false as a return type. And then the next one is the logical operator. Here we will be focusing on and, or, and not. These three are the operators that we will be using to see how the result will vary with the true or false. Next one is the assignment operator. We assign something to a variable and we can use plus equal to or minus equal to and see how assignment operator works. Next one is a membership operator. Here focuses on in and not in. These two are the membership operator and I will explain you how this works with the logic. Last but not least, identity operators. Here we are going to use is as the keyword and double equal to. We're going to check how identical the objects or the values are. So stay tuned. Let's dive into the coding now. I have opened up the Visual Studio Code and just to recap, in the first video we set up the Python in the local environment, IDEs, Python extension, Visual Studio Code, all of the stuff. Second part of the video, we were dealing with understanding the variables and data types and how different data types works, casting, dynamic casting and all of those things. In the third video, what we are going to do is we are going to focus on operators. So I have opened up a day 3 operator. I'm going to show you one by one. So I'm going to put a breakpoint here. Let's move over one by one. I'm going to run this so as I progress I can show you how this works. Okay, so the first thing is we have two variables called a and b and then we are assigning 10 and 3 respectively. So the first one goes for first, the second one goes for second. So a is 10, b is 3. So the operator is plus. We know what it is. A plus b is that value which is printing here. You can see here as we progress. We know minus, we know multiplication, we know division. Division is like exactly with the decimal points. Now here's the important thing. Floor division. So basically a / b means it is going to give you the quotient. You remember there is something called quotient and remainder that deals with the division. Quotient is the top part, right? How many times it went. So basically in the number 10, how many times 3 will go? 3 times. You will have a remainder of 1 because 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. So 3 times it will go. So the floor division will give you always a quotient. Now modulo will give you the remainder. In this case the remainder is 1 and I'm going to print this. See, now this is called square root or the power operator. This is called the power operator. So basically 2 power 10, 2 into 2 power 2, 2 into 2, 2 power 5, 2 times of 5 times, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, right? In this case 10 power 3, so 10 into 10 into 10, which is 1000. And I'm going to run this. You see the result here. Comparison operators. Again, we have two variables. We have 5 and 10 assigned to each other. Now the focus is on the operators. X equal to y. Is x is equal to y? Are they true? No, they're not true. But x is not equal to y, which is true. That's why you see true here. Is x is greater than y? X is less than y? X is greater than or equal to 5. Answer is true. That's it. These are the comparison operator. Now logical operator. Imagine this. We assign a true and false for x and y variable. We are saying x and y. Here focuses on and. So we are saying true and false. True and false is false. Basically true and true is true. False and false is true. In this case it's false. True or false will become a true and we're going to execute this and see See, I'm saying this. Now, not is basically anything that is there, it will make an opposite side. So if it was true, not will become a false. If it was false, not will become a true. These things are very important as we start writing a lot of logics. These operators are very important. Now, we're done with this. Next is the assignment operator. We assign x is equal to 5. And then we use the plus equal to operator. Basically, this means x is equal to x plus 5, x plus 3. You see that? That's why the value is 8. Membership operator. We have a list assigned to a variable. We are asking, hey, is 2 present in this variable? In. Focus is on in and not in. So we're saying 2 in this one. 2 is there? Yes. Answer is true. 4 is not in this. Do we have 4 here? No, it's not here. So answer is true because the condition satisfies. Next is identity operator. Identity operators are basically we assign these variables. See, x has this, but we also assign x is equal to y. Basically, y is also like this. Okay, so now these two are same. We are also saying y is this. However, we are assigning it. We didn't assign x or y to here. Okay. Now let's see what happens. X is y. X is y. Yes. True. Same object. X is z. X and z is same. No. Y. They are different. The values inside this only is same. So the is operator will give you a false because they are not same object. They are not same thing that refers to the same memory. But x equal to y. Now it compares the value. Answer is true because 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's how it works. So we can quickly debug like this and you can see all the values printed here. Okay. There is another way of doing this also. So let's say I clear this. You can say py python day3.py. It just executes everything for us. Okay. Now before you wrap up, I wanted to give you an exercise starting this one. Here is the exercise. What you're going to do is based on what you learned in the last 6 minutes, you're going to do these things by yourself. Don't worry, if you don't know, I will still be providing the answers for this, but you have to try by yourself. Then only you will be able to learn Python properly. Now, basically it's saying, hey, use this operator. This is one of the arithmetic operator, right? Like the multiplication. Use this operator to find the area of triangle. Just figure out what is area of triangle. So the first exercise is use this arithmetic operator and find the area of rectangle. All what we have to know is the formula for area of rectangle. So basically area is equal to width into length. So if you define two variables called w and l, which is width and length, if you multiply this using this, that becomes an area. Just print that area. That's what you have to do. Okay. Now second is check if assign some number to a variable, check if that is divisible by 2 using this operator. That's it. Do it. Next, create two list. We know how to create list, right? This is list. Just an example. This is list. So create two list and check if they are equal. And they're also identical. I think we already have the value there. Combine the conditions. So that's what you're going to try. Assign some age variable and a country variable with some value and see if these two conditions satisfy. Print it. So this is your task for day 3 exercise, and if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share this with your friends, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section, and stay tuned for more videos on Python, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Happy coding!